Hi everyone, good morning. Happy to see you again. I have come back with another video. In this video, I am sharing my morning vlog and my lunch preparation. What I have did is sweet potato for breakfast in a different way. It's also a traditional cooking. Usually we used to cook plain and we take during evening snacks and all, but I have added some grated coconut and seasoning that gives really an additional taste. You too try this and give comments about this. Again, I like to remember that during cutting coconut, we will get coconut water. Don't forget to intake that. That gives really help for cooking. And also I kept banana stem there to do something from that, because I have an idea to try alwa by using banana stem. So today I thought to try this. In this, I seasoned with mustard, dry chili, and curry leaves. That gives a good flavor. Now breakfast preparation got over. I serve with black tea with honey. It is a good combination with sweet potato. Try this and see how you feel about this tea. This black masala tea with honey. My cat destroyed all the plant that we planted. So chasing the cat often is not working out. So we left off. Now in this time I did my other work. Now time is around 11:30. I started making lunch. I plan to make mutton biryani. For that I have no curd, so I made a temporary curd by adding lemon. After 2 minutes it will curdle and become curd. So I am going to make half kg biryani. For that we need 3 to 4 medium size onion, then tomato 3 number, then garlic maybe 50 gram, ginger and garlic. While cutting, be careful. We should wash onion because some onions has the black color, something like fungi that is not good for our health. So you should wash before cutting. For half kg basmati rice, I took about 2.5 cup of rice, which measured 250 gram. So I take 5 to 6 cups of water to boil rice. So it's around 2.5 cup. This cup measures 250 gram. We soak for 10 to 15 minutes and wash 2 times before soaking. It's a correct measurement I have seen in YouTube. How to make Chennai mutton biryani that used to have it in marriage function. That's a special biryani, taste special. So I tried the same measurement with what they said. So for me it's turned out very well with same taste. So you too try this biryani with same measurement. You could taste the real taste of Chennai marriage biryani. I have given all the measurement by writing. For this I added ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. The onion should become golden brown color. I saw this biryani how to make by 1 kilo basmati rice, but I am doing in half kg. I just reduced the measurement of all in halfway. The chili powder that we used in this during it gives the color of biryani, so we have to use in the correct time in the oil, so it gives flavor and color to the biryani. If you want to cook mutton in cooker, you can cook the mutton in cooker, or you can put directly in this time. It takes more time to cook, at least 20 to 25 minutes it takes cook in low flame. It changes according to the meat that we bought. So after adding mutton pieces, we have to keep in the high flame till it boils well. Then we reduce the flame for 20 to 30 minutes. How much it takes according to, it changes according to the meat. By the time when it become cooked, we start cooking rice for only 2 minutes. After boiling water, we add this rice, soaked rice, and within 2 minutes we have to off. Now we wait for becoming the mutton soft and tender, so that it will give more taste. How much the meat get cooked, the biryani also will get more taste. So by the time I started making the alwa, what I thought, I blend the banana stem by cutting small pieces, and I add some water and allow to cook. But it's better to squeeze the banana blended paste and take the juice and add it. It will give the transparent texture, but for me it didn't come the transparent texture and also little fiber, so it's better adding the juice of the banana stem. But I try this, and I add jaggery and little corn slurry that made up of 1 tablespoon corn flour plus water. It makes a little more thick and consistency. And I add coconut oil instead of ghee. If you want, you can add ghee. I add coconut oil, and you can add your option, your wish, like cashew, kismis, or anything, any dry fruit you can add. Now almost the mutton got cooked, and check for the salt whether it is okay. For me, I felt the little salt is needed, so I added. Each one differs the salt taste, so you can add according to your taste. Now we added the half cooked rice and make it equal. Level it by some water should be the top of the rice. You should not overstir, it may break the rice. Now allow to boil the rice by keeping in high flame. Takes around 2 minutes. Then when we see the steam coming side of the lid, we make it a low flame and place a weight or something so that the steam won't escape and it gets dum for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I saw it's got dry and fluffy like flour, so I off the flame and it's ready to serve. We tasted the real taste of Chennai marriage biryani or any special function. We used to get this, so please try this mutton biryani and say how it turns out for you. So hope you all enjoy this cooking. Subscribe this channel to meet us again. So thanks for watching.